Pop quiz. Does a bumblebee prefer purple, pink, or orange flowers?
Hey, I'm Keegan, and this is one of the findings of my student-led research project on pollinators here at Langara.
Did you know that many crops need pollinators to produce fruits and vegetables, which aren't only used for food, but also medicines and much more? We surveyed 3 pollinator gardens on campus, 181 species of flowers, and 9 different groups of pollinators.
We chose to observe the pollinators and their interactions with the gardens, rather than the traditional method of collecting them for lab analysis.
Our non-invasive method allowed us to not only preserve our pollinators, but also gather information on their flower preferences.
HB on Daisy. This project was a lot of work, but also quite rewarding. I learned a ton about wildlife and sustainability.
It was exciting to dive into this project and learn about research and how to work as a collaborative group in a real-world scenario.
And as a bioinformatics student, this really gave me the opportunity to flex my communication and problem-solving skills.